Okay, gang. I know I got a little over excited, but you ain't gotta be all like that, Penelope, okay? I will take all of your stuff and I will put you out. You will be like you are my little roommate, so I can put you out. That's what I thought. Y'all know I got a rabbit, but I didn't upload that video because it was messed up, so yeah. But my rabbit is right there. In my next video, I'm gonna show y'all. But if y'all like, what is she playing with? Y'all don't know. My friend had been trying to make this on her YouTube page for the longest, okay? But she never did. But I'm gonna put her YouTube in the bio. And sorry about my dresser. I've been trying to make slime without glue. The ingredients I use for this is starch, like that you on your clothes with, and glue. That's all. And I just mix. And I didn't have to mix for them like, excuse me, I'm so sorry. For like a minute, and it was already slime. But yeah, this is some slime that I tried to make, but it was a fail. It turned out like some purple dough, if y'all can't see on camera. But y'all ready for the ultimate slime? As y'all can see. My mom is doing hair, so sorry about the racket and stuff. Well, whatever. The noises. And we're getting ready to go to the game, so I might vlog at the game if I'm not too, you know, shy and scared, because I'm not used to vlogging in public. But it's white slime. Now, if you do want to do this with cornstarch, well, starch that you earn your clothes with, and glue, it will end up looking like it was a fail. But then, if you keep mixing for like a minute or two, you will have it. And this is some more slime that I made without glue and cornstarch. I don't know how it turned out. As y'all can see, it's little. It's little, by the way. So, like I just said, it's little. What if I add this slime up into this slime? I'm just gonna rub it on there. I don't even know if this slime. No, that's definitely not slime. It's supposed to come out whole. They came out one by one. Here come my dad. I heard him say, "We're ready," so I thought he was coming. Bye, y'all.